Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen the code implementation of this analog read and the digital blink. So we are going to see the demonstration in this video. So just to give a quick precise scenario, what we were supposed to do is we are going to take an analog input from pin A0 using a variable resistor that we have seen in the previous videos. Okay. So and we are assigning the value to x. X is an integer. Then we serial print the value x because we want to know the value x value actually, just to manually verify the outcomes. Then if the x value is less than 500, that means lower values, we will set the delay time to be 500 millisecond, and with that particular delay time we will do a blink. We will skip the else part because if part becomes true here. Okay, if the x value is greater than 500 or greater than or equal to 500, this x is less than 500 will become false. So immediately we will skip the if part and we will jump into the else part. Okay, so here we assign the y value to, or the delay time to 1 second or 1000 milliseconds. Okay, so higher delay time between the blink. Then with the same y we will go for a blink, guys. Okay, so this piece of code will anyway run. Before that we are simply trying to make sure to assign the respective delay times depending on the input we are getting from the analog pin using preset. Okay guys, so this is very clear, right? So if in other words, if the value is less than 500, less delay time, so the blink will be very fast. Okay guys. Otherwise, if the value is more than 511, the delay time will be 1 second, 1000 milliseconds. That means double of this 500. So the delay between the blink will be high, so the blink will be slow. Okay guys, you understand what I'm telling? Okay guys, that's cool. So now we will go for a demonstration, guys. So I will copy the code. Okay. Okay, and I will come here. I will paste this code here. Okay guys, so I have pasted the code. I didn't start the simulation. So what I want you guys to do is you have to I will just verify the code anyway before this and make sure I have pasted anyway. I will just verify, make sure it is not having any errors. So compiling is successful, so no errors. Anyway, I have already pasted it. So what I want you guys to do is upload the code to the Arduino with the proper components. Only all you need is two LEDs, two 330 ohm resistors, and one variable resistor to get the input, and an Arduino, right? Nothing else you needed. So just connect those things, upload the code, open your serial monitor, and look at the LEDs and see whether this scenario is working or not by rotating the preset while that means seeing the values in the serial monitor and also seeing the LEDs outcomes. Okay, that is what we are supposed to do, right? Giving an input using a preset, making sure the LEDs, ensuring the analog values using a serial monitor, and seeing the outcome in the LEDs. So three things you are supposed to do. Okay guys, so I think I'm talking too much, so I hope you understood it, right? So I have pasted the code here. Okay, so what I will do is I want this thing to be okay. First I will do a small thing, guys. So I just want to remove the code first, just to bring this potentiometer at the initial state. Okay, so okay, what happened? Okay, that's just fine. Okay guys, so okay, I will bring the code again. Okay, so there's no code, so that's why it's giving some error. So I will copy my code. Okay, and I will paste it. Alright guys, so I think I can start simulation now. So initially let's look at the serial monitor values and then I will go for a demonstration. Okay, so I'll start the simulation. I will open the serial monitor and these values are now 737, right? So just don't look at the LED. First I will bring it to the initial state. Okay, so now I will bring it to 0, or the minimum possible value, or 0. Okay, so 0 is the value, so less than 511, so blink time should be 500 milliseconds. Okay guys, so that means y is 500 milliseconds, so this should blink with 500 milliseconds. Okay, so you are seeing that here, right? So it's a bit faster. Okay, now I will increase this analog input value to more than 511 and see the blink value time is changing. So I will first increase a little bit. Okay, so now the current value is 307. The blink time is not changing, right? Still the same blink delay. Okay, same delay time. So and make sure guys if you want to see the in this simulation environment, okay, for the sake of the simulation environment, if you want to see the outcome, please make sure until this value is printing in the serial monitor. Let's say I am passing it more than 511. Don't look at this potentiometer, just look at the serial monitor. In the serial monitor, if you are seeing a 511 value, then only you will see the outcome in the LED, guys. You get it? So in the real life Arduino, you don't need to worry, because if you rotate at the moment, you will see the serial monitor values are changing. But since this is a simulation environment, there are things, okay, so don't worry. Anyway, I will increase it, okay, so I will just pass it. So just note the blink time, guys. So I will pass it more than 511, okay, so I have brought it here. Now the 737 has come. Now look at the blink time, guys. The blink became slow, right? Just keep an eye on this LED, okay. It has become slow, right? So I will play around with that so that you can note. Okay, I will again decrease it. Okay, and see when the values are coming lower than 511, blink is fast. Okay, and I will again increase. Once I increased, look at the serial monitor, guys, then look at the LED. You will get the point. Okay, so now note this LED blinking time speed, and once I increased it, look at the serial monitor, make sure the increased values are there, that means more than 511, and then look at the LED. Okay, and then compare the blink time. Okay, so now look at the LED blink time. Okay, now see that serial monitor values are increased. Look at the LED. Okay, so if I want to make it a little faster, I will decrease the value again. You just keep looking at the LEDs. Now you see the blink is faster, right? Okay, so now it's faster, right? So now I will go the other way around. Okay guys, so again. Okay, so this is very clear and understandable, right guys? So just rewatch the video if you didn't understand, go through the code very clearly, and then try to get the juice of what I was telling, guys. Okay guys, so I will stop the video here and I will catch you up in the next video. Until then guys, consider subscribing us and stay safe. I will catch you up in the next video, guys. Bye.